still at the bus station. We're gonna get a grab right now and head to our hotel and see if we can do an early check-in. Did you sleep all right, Sophie?
Better than I expected. And I started with a headache, and then it disappeared. So it's good. I think it was just a little bit tense. I think the seat took a little bit getting used to on the neck.
Yeah.
But actually, it was a really smooth ride. You barely felt anything.
Yeah.
It was nice. Yeah.
The ride was smooth. I agree. And the seat was big. I wish it reclined a little bit more. But I think my seat was broken. Every time I did anything with it, it was like, it was like, yeah. But yeah, after a while, we got used to it, and then we found that sweet spot where we could sleep a little bit. But yeah, right now it's what, 7 in the morning?
Yeah, 7.
7 on the dot. We're gonna walk up front and grab a grab, go to the hotel, hopefully check in. I might take a little nap, but hopefully at least check in so we can shower.
Yeah.
Because I feel gross.
Brush your teeth.
Brush our teeth, yeah.
We need toothpaste.
Oh, we need my toothpaste too. I'm sure we can find a 7-Eleven very close. Alrighty, anyway, we're gonna go find that little tuk-tuk to take us to the hotel. Cheers, guys. Socks? Buy pants. Alright, so we can't check into the hotel yet. Can't check in till 2 is what they say. So we're just gonna go for a walk. See if we can find a nice little cafe or something to chill in. So they advertise this handyman zone. We went to the little Pontit Plaza here in Chiang Mai. I would say 70-80% of the stores are closed. It's pretty pathetic, actually. So we came here to try and fix Sophie's camera, and then maybe I would look at if they had any tablets for sale. But like nothing, man. The whole place is empty. Such a shame. So we're walking back now. We're gonna go rent a scooter and head over to the bigger malls and see what we can find. We went already to the helmet shop. There wasn't anything amazing at the helmet shop, but there was an option for Sophie and I each, but we'll keep it a reserve option. So just a quick recap of yesterday. So I forgot to film in the evening. Basically, yesterday we spent majority of the day running around, we had a big list of things. I had some gadgets, tech that I needed to get. I was looking for another GoPro, but a second-hand one, a GoPro 7, because my 7's broken and it's on its way back to America. I'm running on this 5 right now, and I need a backup, at least a backup or something. I was looking for a Mavic Mini, a drone. I was looking for a new tablet to start editing my videos on a tablet, because right now I'm just using my phone, and I sold my laptop about a month and a half ago. But the tablet I'm looking for is difficult to find. Sophie was trying to fix her camera, and then we were also looking for motorbikes. Motorbikes so far has not gone so well. Everywhere we've gone, they're basically laughing at us because it seems nobody buys secondhand motorbikes in Chiang Mai. There's no dealerships. We haven't found any cool shops, custom garages, or things that have these bikes for sale. Maybe we're just looking in the wrong places, but it's just been kind of dry. On the motorbike front, basically today we're gonna go look at scooters because that's what it's coming down to. We're gonna go look at some scooters, and basically tonight we'll weigh. There's 2 DT 100s for sale in Bangkok, a set of them from the same owner, and we'll basically weigh our options if maybe we go down to Bangkok and buy those, or if we buy scooters up here. It's gonna be a tough decision. So that's kind of the motorbike front as of now. As far as the tech, we went to like 6-7 different camera shops. We couldn't find anywhere that could repair Sophie's camera here. They would all have to go to Bangkok, so we're just going to go to Bangkok and have it repaired in Bangkok because she wants to sell it anyways. The second thing, so then my MediaPad, Huawei MediaPad M5 Pro is what I was looking for. I couldn't find it anywhere. I could only find the M6, but the M6 doesn't run the Play Store, so I can't buy that. I can't buy the T5 or the just regular M5 because they can't use the keyboard, and I can't buy the 8-inch model because it can't use a keyboard. I need a 10-inch model. So basically, like everywhere we went, they're sold out. So now I've ordered it on Shopee, which is like a Thai eBay app, Amazon app. I ordered it on Shopee to our hotel, so hopefully it's going to show up in the next 2 days. They say it should, but let's see. So I ordered it on Shopee and it should come. The only success of yesterday was a Mavic Mini. Is my screen not working? Oh, Mavic Mini. So I got the Mavic Mini. I'm gonna unbox it right now, and then we're gonna actually head to go look at some scooters. But I'm bringing it with me because I want to see. I want to find a what do you call it? A fanny pack. A waterproof fanny pack that can fit this, so I can actually put it on my handlebars. So I'll have access to it to just throw it up in the air and take some film. So that's the goal. I'm gonna unbox it right now and do that. So. Thai noodles for what, 45 baht? That's 10 baht more. We're at the fancy mall today. Anyway, a little French toast layered with meat and egg. So we got a nice little thing there. We're having some issues trying to sort out our bike situation here. Whether we rent, whether we buy, whether we can do a small rental or a big rental. Whether we buy an expensive bike, whether we buy a cheap bike, whether we buy a bike in Bangkok, whether we buy a bike in Chiang Mai. There really just is no easy option or choice. And so with all these frustrations, we just had to treat ourselves to a really good breakfast today, you know? Spoil ourselves a little bit, right? Coming to the big cities like Christmas, we always just go shopping. But a little package just arrived for me here at the hotel. You gotta love technology these days when it comes to these types of things. My tablet that I wanted is a very special type. Couldn't find it anywhere. Went on Shopee, found one on there, ordered it yesterday. Today it's here. All the way from MBK Center, Bangkok. Well, we got it. Let's see if it's in there. So just opening it now. Is it the right one?
Wow. M5 Pro?
M5 Pro. That's it right there.
Ready? Ooh.
Beautiful. Look at that. Huawei MediaPad.
Ooh.
I'll be cranking some super sweet videos with this one. Tell you what. Now I can actually see on my screen a little better. Sweet. I got some setting up to do. I gotta set that baby up. I gotta set up my drone. Like I said,
Where's my gift?
I didn't really get much at Christmas time, but I guess these are late Christmas gifts.
To yourself?
To myself. Well, I did sell my other drone. And I made $50 on it. And this one was $100 less than the one that I had. And I sold my laptop for $800. So if you don't destroy all my stuff, the best part is opening it. Just opening all my stuff over here. And my laptop I sold for $800. And this was, my tablet is $350. But I still need to get the keyboard. But the keyboards are out of stock because of the C word, the coronavirus. So we can't get the keyboard for like another 2 weeks. I gotta order it to Bangkok, so hopefully I can get it over there.
Don't worry, I won't put my sticky fingers on the screen. There it is.
I gotta go see if I can get a screen protector for it. Alright, over and out, Roger dog.